Sir, Cauchy mean value theorem is not yet covered in previous class.
Thank you, sir.
Cauchy's mean value theorem is not yet covered, na? Then
Yes, sir, not
नहीं
yet
sir,
covered.
up to Lagrange's it was complete.
Lagrange's mean value theorem तक ही हुआ था.
okay.
Please take it again.
Okay. Then you just see that fx be a function gx also a function. It's a relation between two functions, be a function, and both fx and gx both are continuous, both are derivable. Then g dash x does not vanish within the interval ab. Then we can tell that there is a point within the interval ab. There is a point c such that f dash c by g dash c equals to fb minus fa by gb minus ga. Okay, by gb minus ga. Now here it can also be proved because just like Rolle's theorem,
তুমি কি তালবাজে বেরিয়ে গেছো?
the other conditions
খোলা
not
আনতে পারবে নাকি?
specified.
না আমাকে আনতে হবে।
Means the last condition is not given that
একটা ডাইরেক্ট 3 কিলো
both
উঠিয়ে নিয়ে চলে আসবে।
functions
আর কিছু আসতে হবে না,
the last condition, both functions are continuous, both functions are derivable, but it is not given that they are at certain point they are equal. This is not given. Then how we can apply Rolle's theorem? Until and unless you are not applying Rolle's theorem, you can't prove it. So in order to apply Rolle's theorem, you have to consider another function, so that fx plus suppose capital A into gx. When there is a variable comes and you have enough freedom to keep the value of a, then you can easily consider that within the interval ab, this is the phi x also continuous because it is a both continuous function fx and gx. So this function is continuous, this function also derivable, and also phi a you can easily consider that phi b, and you have the freedom to keep the value of a. So you are assuming that you have given the value of a in such a way so that phi a equals to phi b. Now you can easily prove it. Suppose that phi a.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, a is a arbitrary constant.
Yes, you can give any value. You have the freedom, and it is formed by these two continuous functions. So it is continuous function, and as you have the freedom, you have assumed that on phi x you can apply the Rolle's theorem that phi a equals to phi b. Now you can easily prove the Cauchy's mean value theorem because phi a equals to f of a plus capital A into g of a. Similarly, phi b equals to f of b plus capital A into g of b. As phi a equals to phi b, so you can easily equate it f of a plus capital A into g of a equals to f of b plus capital A into g of b. So what is the value of minus a? What is the value of minus a? Here you just equate it fb minus fa. Here you just equate it for this fb minus fa equals to capital A into ga minus gb. So capital A into ga minus gb. Now you can easily write that minus a equals to fb minus fa by gb minus g. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Open interval or closed interval?
Open interval, this point c is within the open interval.
So C is now in open interval, but without g differential x not equal to 0 in
open interval.
Closed interval.
g dash x is equals to closed interval. C is in the open interval. Now according to your assumption, that phi x equals to f of x plus capital A into g of x. So phi dash x equals to 0 because it satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can easily consider that f of f dash x
Dash of x.
plus capital A into g dash x
Equal to 0.
equals to 0. So minus A equals to, so you just take
F
it
of
as
g minus f of a, right?
f dash
Yes,
x
sir.
by g dash x.
Uh,
Now you can point
Yes,
at,
sir.
you just put the point C here. You can easily write that f dash c by g dash c equals to fb minus fa by gb minus ca. Now already we have solved one problem now, e to the power x, e to the power minus x using Cauchy's mean value theorem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will solve some problems that belongs to mainly.
Sir, we have not solved any problem related to that, I think so.
Yes, sir. We didn't solve the problem.
Some two
Yes,
sections
come,
are there,
sir.
maybe. Sir, please tell one second the problem, sir.
Okay.
As per I remember, we have not solved that problem.
Suppose if you consider that fx equals to e to the power x and gx you just consider e to the power minus x, then you have to prove that the interval, suppose it is continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open interval ab, and you have to prove there is a point c that divides the interval just half, a plus b by 2. That you have to prove.
হুম
So what you have to do,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা পরে
first
দেখা
of all,
হবে আচ্ছা আমরা
f dash c fb minus fa, so it will be e to the power b minus e to the power a, gb minus ga, e to the power minus b minus e to the power minus a. It will be f dash c by g dash c. What is the value of f dash c?
e to the
E to the power
power c
c. G dash
by
c will be
minus
Minus c power minus c.
I have to make
Minus it.
some sound is coming. Okay, minus of e to the power minus c.
minus c.
So if you just multiply the numerator and the denominator by e to the power a, e to the power b, then you see it will be e to the power a into e to the power b into, just you just write e to the power b minus e to the power b minus e to the power a by e to the power a minus e to the power b.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, e to the power b, e to the power minus e to the power a minus e to the power b. Yes.
Common, sir.
It is right, sir. It is right.
Yes,
Yes, sir. You are true, sir.
Then you can easily write
Right side minus sign should be
minus, yes, minus sign is be given, and
Sir, we are finding the value of c here.
e to the minus of e to the power b minus e to the power a, then you cancel it.
Then yes.
Then only you can cancel. Now e to the power minus of e to the power 2c. You can easily write. Then you can easily write that e to the power, so 2c equals to a plus b.
So half
c
is
equals to a plus b by 2.
Yes, sir.
That you can prove using Cauchy's mean value theorem. Then the points that we will discuss.
F of A can be equal to F of B.
F of a, no, its condition is given that it is continuous, it is derivable. Cauchy's mean value theorem you have applied, na? It is not given. It is not given. That condition should be omitted here. Okay. Next we will discuss.
सर आगे प्रूफ है phi dash x is equal to 0 कैसे होगा?
Phi dash x equals to 0 because phi x you have taken in such a way that fx plus capital A into gx.
because we applied Rolle's theorem.
You have applied Rolle's theorem. You have assumed that you have given the value of a capital A in such a way so that phi A equals to phi B. This is according to your assumption. This is not given. Okay. This is according to your assumption, as you have the freedom to give the value of A. So that
Sir, can we
phi x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. So you can write that phi A equals to phi B. Now is it clear?
Can be proved, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question that
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yes,
Can we prove this Cauchy's theorem using Lagrange's mean value theorem, sir?
that we have done, na?
Yes, we have assumed Rolle's theorem, right, sir? Can be assumed by using Lagrange's mean value theorem.
different procedure. Suppose Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem also I have solved one cases. There are several cases: constant function, others, minimum values problem. There are several options you can give, but
Okay.
as proof is not included, only the idea for your conception. This proof is given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can also deduce the expression of Cauchy's mean value theorem by writing Lagrange's
That's
mean
it.
value theorem separate.
So can you just see
It
the
is as it is.
F dash C by D dash C equal to B.
It is a relation, but this proof is not in your syllabus. I have just for your conception I have given. Okay. Next.
So can you
Next.
please repeat the points for which Cauchy's mean value theorem holds true?
Cauchy's mean value theorem.
Holds true for which conditions? Can you repeat it once more?
Yes. Fx is continuous
Windows
in closed interval AB. Fx is derivable in the open interval AB. Then there is a point within. Suppose it is an average that AB minus FA by B minus A. It is thus average rate of change of the function. Average rate of the function. So within the interval AB, there is a point that shows, if you draw a tangent, these two are parallel, and this shows that the average rate of change of the function within the interval AB will be a rate of change of the function at a certain point. This is only so that F dash you can write. Now on the basis of this particular concept, just 1 minute. On the basis of this particular concept, already I have given one thing, that you can easily write that if B minus A is equals to H, then FB minus FA, FB minus F of A equals to H into F dash C. Can it be written? Yes, it can be written.
Yes, sir.
Or FB can be written as FA plus H into F dash C. Also it can be written. Now it can be written F of A plus H into F dash C is an intermediate point. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. Already this has been discussed. This interval is H. So any intermediate point can be written as A plus
Theta H.
theta H. So it can be written as A plus theta H. This portion already I have discussed. Now that very particular concept, if you take the interval 0 to x, what will be the situation? So
F dash theta.
B is x. So f of x equals to f of 0 plus h is here x, 0 to x, 0 to x, x into f dash theta x, 0 plus theta x. Now applying this particular concept, we have to solve some problems. Before going to that particular problem, first of all, you just consider. First, you consider that x greater than 0. So obviously, 1 plus x into 1. This is basically greater than 1 plus x into theta. This is greater than, yes, 1 plus x into 1 plus x into theta. This is greater than 1. Can it be written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if this quantity, 1 minute,
Yes, sir.
I am muting. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Now If this is true, if this can be written, then obviously a quantity x is divided by suppose 1 plus x. So denominator is highest for this case. So this must be less than x by 1 plus x into theta, because this denominator value is less. So as a whole the quantity is greater than this quantity. This is less than x by 1, because here only denominator is 1 plus no quantity is given. So this is highest, this is next highest, this is next highest. Now using this particular concept, we have to solve one problem here. First of all, you just consider that x by 1 plus x less than log of 1 plus x less than x, where x greater than 0. Here, if you consider that fx equals to log of 1 plus x, then if you consider the interval 0 to x, if you consider the interval 0 to x, then if you just take this interval from 0 to x and you apply it on this very expansion of the function log of 1 plus x. So if you consider fx equals to log of 1 plus x, that can be expanded as f0 plus x into f dash 0 plus theta x, so f dash theta x. So here f0 is 0, then it can be written as x by f dash theta x. So here 1 by 1 plus theta x, this is the quantity. So already we have shown that x by 1 plus x is less than x by 1 plus theta x is less than x, because it is x by 1. Now here this quantity is highest, this quantity is next highest added, there is no quantity, is 0. Now, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Please repeat again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theta must lie between 0 to 1.
No, sir.
Theta value 0 to 1. Yes.
Sir, repeat one time, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Repeat one time, sir.
Achha,
Repeat one
here,
time, sir.
Open interval.
here the denominator 1 plus x into 1. Here the denominator 1 plus x into theta, which ranges between 0 to 1. Here denominator is
Open interval na 0 to 1 theta value.
0 to 1 open interval. So here you see, if x is a positive quantity, this denominator is highest because it is multiplied by 1. This denominator is multiplied by theta, so it is next highest because 1 plus this sum is next sum. This sum is least because 1 plus 0. Okay, so highest denominator is here. So as it is divided by x is divided by that, this value is lowest. Here denominator is second lowest, so x is divided by that, so it is next. It is only x by 1. Now is it clear? So see, this expression is
In example, m1 plus x. So x upon 1 plus x is less than ln 1 plus x. How is it?
x by 1 plus x means x by 1 plus x into 1.
Sir, the first statement
No,
above.
first statement
Sir,
written
ऊपर
above.
जो पहली
He
statement.
is saying about the expansion according to the rule. If x
Oh,
equals
x by 1 plus theta x, how comes? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Try.
You have taken, yes. Good question. This is A, this is B. We know that FB equals to FA plus h into f dash a plus theta h. So
Yes, sir.
the expansion of the function f of x can be, it is f of 0 plus x into f dash theta x. Okay, so f of 0 is here, this is 0, x into f dash theta x 1 by 1 plus theta x,
Plus x.
x is multiplied here, so x by 1 plus theta x.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sir, how f of
Sir.
0 equal to 0?
Hmm?
Sir, how f of 0 equal to 0?
Log 1.
Log 1 equal to
Log
log
1.
1 equal to 0.
Log 1 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now,
so that f dash of theta x equals to theta by 1 plus theta x.
no,
Yes, sir.
no,
We
no.
put the value later. We put
Yeah,
the
we
value
put the
after
value later.
integration.
Yes. Okay, because you have taken that. I am 1 minute. I'm just showing. You are telling that why x into 1 by 1 plus theta x. That you are telling. Because it is a formula, na? f of b equals to f of a plus h. Here h is here x because interval is 0 to x. So x minus 0, that is h. H
Sir,
into
if f
f
of
dash.
theta
No,
x
sir.
equals to
Sir, f dash theta x when we do, wouldn't the answer come as theta by 1 plus theta x, the whole thing into x?
No. X into f dash theta x. So in place of x, 1 by 1 plus x. In place of x, you are putting theta x. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now it's clear.
So we are differentiating and then putting the value.
First of all, you differentiate it. Then it will 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus x. Now in place of x, you just put theta x. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then x into
Yes,
1
sir.
plus x, so it will x by 1 plus theta x. Now we go for the next problem.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, for this question, can we draw the graph and verify?
Don't need. You will be given with such, on the basis of, you have to apply mean value theorem. This will be given in the question. You have to apply mean value theorem, prove it. Okay.
If it is not asking for proof, then can we cross verify by drawing the graph?
But this is not needed. Only as it is a chapter of mean value theorem, it will be given there. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
and the problem can be proven by increasing function.
There are several procedures. I have to mute, otherwise how I can continue, because 1,000 students are there, na? Several problems of you, so that if I give then answer, then I can proceed. I have to go for the next. If you give permission me, if you give me permission, I shall go for the next problem.
Sir, next.
Sir, is this inequality will satisfy? ln 1
Next
plus x
problem.
is less than x and greater
next
than 1.
problem. Next problem.
Next problem, sir.
Next we will discuss about one problem, that is 0 less than 1 by x log of e to the power x minus 1 by x less than 1. Suppose this type of problem is given. Already at the time of discussion of theorem, I have discussed that 0 less than theta less than 1. So for this type of problems, we will solve several problems belong to this. For this type of problem, always you assume, you just write in an exercise book, this will be the value of theta after expansion of some function within the interval 0 to x. This is the value of theta. As it is value of theta, and theta ranges between 0 to 1, so this can be proved. So Now for this particular problem, if you just take the value, if you take that f of x equals to e to the power x, that can be written as, so f of b equals to f of a, that will be e to the power 0 plus h is here x into f dash theta x, so e to the power theta x. So e to the power 0 1 here, so it can be written as, or e to the power x minus 1 is equals to x into e to the power theta x. So you can easily write that x e to the power theta x can be written as e to the power x minus 1 by x. Now you can easily obtain the value of theta x. Theta x equals to log of e to the power x minus 1 by x. So what is the value of theta? Theta is 1 by x log of e to the power x minus 1 by x. Now as theta is this, and theta ranges between 0 to 1, this open interval. So now you can easily write that this quantity lies between this particular interval. Is it clear to all of you?
Sir,
Sir, could you explain once again, sir?
why
Yes, sir. First of all, you just concentrate on this type of problem. This will be 0 to 1 interval, and you have to apply the mean value theorem. Already you have seen that theta ranges between 0 and 1. So this must be equals to theta after expansion of some function within the interval 0 to x. Now you have taken for this particular problem, e to the power x is the function. So e to the power b, so fb equals to fa plus h into f dash a, f dash theta is a plus theta is. So fb here e to the power x equals to fa e to the power 0, because 0 to x is the interval, into h x minus 0, that is x e to the power theta x. So e to the power x e to the power 0 1, so e to the power x minus 1 equals to x into e to the power theta x. So e to the power theta x can be written as e to the power x minus 1 by x. Now theta x equals to log of e to the power x minus 1 by x. So theta equals to 1 by x log of e to the power x minus 1 by x. Now you can easily write that as theta ranges between 0 to 1, so you can easily prove it.
Sir, the point where you took fx equals to ex,
Yeah,
it is an assumption.
It will be given.
Sir, but
Sir, is value of f of x
any
given
new
in the
problem,
question?
how can we proceed that?
Sir,
what
how
is
do
the
we know
effect?
that our function is e to the power x?
Good question, but sometimes it may be given, or sometimes you have to assume, because 2 or 3 problems belongs to this particular part. So if you practice it, you can easily assume. Otherwise, it may be given that considering the function e to the power x within the interval 0 to x, you just prove that 0 less than 1 by x log of e to the power x minus 1 by x less than 1. It may be.
Is that interval also given, sir? 0 to x?
Interval also given. Otherwise, you have to assume.
Is this proof, sir?
So what are excluding from this sum?
No, this is given. No. This is given in the problem section. Problem.
It is proof.
No. It's not proof.
No.
It is a question. Problem.
Sir, what are excluding, sir, from this question?
Sir, why did you? How will you know that the function we are assuming is that only?
No. It may be given in the question. Okay. It may be given in the question that considering the function e to the power x, you just prove theta is 0 less than 1 by x log of e to the power x minus 1 by x less than 1.
Sir, one more like this.
So can you give one more question which is not involving EX and log X?
Yes, I shall show. I can show. Yes. Suppose another problem. 1 minute. 0 less than 1 by log of 1 plus x minus 1 by x less than 1. This may be taken as another problem. 1 minute. I am just after turning it mute. Just I should discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose this is a problem. Now here suppose it is given that considering fx equals to log of 1 plus x and within the interval suppose 0 to x. So you can easily write that log of 1 plus x equals to, put first, this will be 0 plus x into 1 by 1 plus suppose theta x. So you can easily write that 1 plus theta x, if you take it the numerator and this converted denominator, so 1 plus theta x by x equals to 1 by log of 1 plus x. Now you can easily write that you just 1 by x plus theta x by x. So it can be written as 1 by x plus theta x by x. So it is theta equals to 1 by log of 1 plus x. Now here theta equals to 1 by log of 1 plus x minus 1 by x, and you have assumed that theta is in the open interval 0 to 1. So it is put. This is also another problem, belongs to this particular category. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Log 1
Sir,
plus
can you
x
explain
equals to x by 1 plus theta x. How can you assume like that?
Yes, yes. This may be given. This must be given, and the interval also given.
Means whenever the interval is from 0 to 1, we will take a function.
Sir, please turn
No,
off
no,
the
no.
mic. It's going.
So why have you written that log 1 plus x equals to x by 1 plus theta x this term?
Yes. I am showing that 1 minute. Log of 1 plus x. Here you just put f0, that is 0. f0 plus x into f dash theta x, that you have to obtain. f0 0 plus x into f dash theta x 1 by 1 plus theta x. So that quantity is f dash theta x. Now you can easily write that log of 1 plus x is equals to x by 1 plus theta x.
Sir, the correction of theta x, must be theta na?
No. This theta x.
Yes, the correction of when it differentiate it in the above line.
No. 1 by 1 plus x.
No. F dash theta x equal to 1 plus theta x into theta.
No,
No.
we first
First you have to calculate
the
f dash
value.
x.
Log of 1 plus
First you have to calculate f dash x. Then put the value of x. In place of x, you just put theta.
Okay, sir.
Now is it clear to all of you? Then I shall proceed to the next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Could you please give us a practice?
Practice some problems.
Yes, sir. A practice sheet.
Yes, sir, some problems so we can practice more like this.
Okay. I shall upload some problems. You just go through that. I have uploaded the message.
Sir,
1 second till problem.
sir, does it mean that if we can apply Cauchy's theorem, then every point of it can be used as a proof?
There are several options, but I am going through some set of options. That is minimum requirement. Okay. And also I shall give some practice problems, and some hints will be given how you proceed. Then you just go through that and solve it. Okay. This is home task. I shall upload it. Tomorrow I shall upload it. Tomorrow or the next day I shall upload it. You just practice it from this particular part. Next the question is already in Lagrange's mean value theorem, what we have shown that FB equals to FA plus H into F dash A plus theta H. So here you just consider one thing, that what is B? H is here, B minus A. So B can be written as F of A plus H equals to F of A plus H into F dash A plus theta H. Can it be written? Yes, it can be written because B is A plus H. Next, what the point that has to be discussed, that is you have stopped in the second term, and this can be considered as a remainder in Lagrange's form. That remainder in Lagrange's form.
Sir, I have a doubt in the first step.
Yes.
So please
Sir,
explain
in the
what you
previous
said right
problem,
now.
sir, you told that FB is equal to FA plus H F dash theta H. In place of X, we just put theta X. So
Yes,
why
yes.
here A plus theta H?
Because instead of here A1 A is 0.
There
B
A
is X. So B
in last
minus
column we have assumed
B minus
there A was 0.
B minus A equals to X minus 0. So H is here X. Then you can consider FB, F of X equals to FA, F of 0, H, B minus A, X minus 0, that is X into F dash A plus theta H, 0 plus theta into X, so only theta X. That I have.
Why H equal to B minus A F A plus H?
Yes, because B minus A is the difference, the interval B, sorry, this is A, this is B, this interval you have considered H. Okay, so that B minus A, this interval is considered at H. So instead of writing B, FB, you can easily write F of A plus H equals to F of A plus H into F dash A plus theta H. Now is it clear? FB, A is this, H, B, it is B. FB equals to FA plus H into F dash A plus theta H. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is that you have to go for the generalization. You have to think about generalization of this mean value theorem. So instead of stopping in the second term, you may extend it.
Sir,
That is, yes.
sir, the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So remainder is F of A, sir. In previous slide you said.
Sir, in previous slides, sir, I think there should not be H equal to, I think. Here, sir, yes, sir. H equal to B minus A, F of A plus H.
The H equal to
Not
only
multiple
B
by B
minus
minus
A.
A. Yes, sir.
Why A plus
It's already written H equal to B minus.
So what is the problem?
Yes. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. So this interval is B minus A, that is H. Okay, so any intermediate point here can be written as this length plus theta into this length. This length is H. So that is B minus A. So now you can easily consider, instead of writing this B, you can easily write that A, this length, plus this length. So this is B. Now is it clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, next point. Next point is that the theorem that we have discussed till now, basically you have taken the remainder in the, suppose FB equals to FA plus H into F dash A plus theta H. So here F of, instead of writing B, you can write A plus H equals to F of A plus H into F dash A plus theta H. So here you see that this is the remainder term. You have stopped here. You have stopped here. The expansion of the function f of a plus h, you have stopped here h into f dash a plus theta h. So instead of doing this, how you can represent it? Suppose f of a plus h, if it is represented as fa plus h into f dash a plus h square by factorial to f double dash a, in this way you just extend it, h to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1 f of n minus 1 a plus h to the power n by factorial n fn a plus theta h. So this is the generalized mean value theorem. Instead of keeping this particular remainder term in the second, just fa plus h into this, you can take the remainder in n plus 1th term. Can it be written? Can it be written?
Sir, how this series is coming, I couldn't understand.
Yes. This is all. N is any term. And you can
Then
extend.
it will expand to infinity also.
Yes. But you have to put the remainder and stop it at any term. Then question
Sir,
is.
can you please repeat what this series is? I can't understand your handwriting.
Okay. F of a plus h. F of a plus h. Previously, what we have done? We have stopped there. H into f dash a plus theta h. Now what you have done? F of a plus h into f dash a. We are not stopping. Plus h square by factorial to f double dash a. How long it will go on? H to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. What is the value of n?
Sir, how are these other terms coming? I didn't.
Yes. This is already
Derivative
established theorem.
expansion.
Derivative expansion.
H per n
Now we have to prove also. We will prove it. There are some conditions that I am telling. Just 1 minute. Already this is an established theorem. Just derivative expansion. H to the power n. Yes. It is generalized mean value theorem, but sometimes it is known as Taylor's theorem also. Fn a plus theta is. This is the generalized mean value theorem. Now you are seeing that n plus 1th term, you have put the remainder. Instead of in the second term, you have put the remainder. In n plus 1th term, you have given the remainder. Now you can extend n. Whatever the value of n. Now is it clear? And what are the conditions?
This is Taylor's theorem.
Yes.
Sir, where did you put the remainder? Can you please explain it again?
Yes. Here some conditions will be given to you that f of n minus 1 is continuous. Okay. Fn exists and no other condition is given, that it is not given that f of a plus h equals to f of a. No, this is not given. Only this is given, and this is the formula, established formula of that f of a plus h equals to f of a plus h into f dash a plus h square by factorial to f double dash a. In this way, it goes h to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1 f of n minus 1 a plus h to the power n by factorial n f n a plus theta h. Now,
Sir, lastly, why you have written a plus theta h?
yes, this is good question.
In
This may
before
be
terms you have written only
yes.
a.
Because you have stopped here. You have stopped here and you have given the remainder term by this particular expansion. Okay. Now you can prove it.
Last
You can,
term should be.
yes. We will prove it. We will prove it.
Okay, sir.
We will prove this formula.
Is there any no condition for derivability?
Yes, it is given that f of n minus 1 up to f of n minus 1 it is given. It's continuous, fn exists. Then this is the formula. At the time of proving it, I shall show you the whole thing. That how it comes.
How is factorial notation coming all of a sudden?
Yes, this is the established
In proof
formula.
we will know, na.
In proof, it will be clear to all of you. Now you just see that this is the generalized mean value theorem and this is the expansion and this is the remainder term. Up to
In
this.
the generalized form, why only a is present in the place of a plus h?
Yes. This is the expansion of f of a plus h by using f of a. Taking the remainder at n plus 1th term.
Sir, what is the domain of continuity?
Domain here AB. Here AB. Domain here AB. Okay. Now what the thing?
So what do you mean by taking the remainder at n plus 1th term?
Yes. Here this is the generalized mean value theorem, but you will be given with some problems where by seeing the problem you have to decide that in which term I shall take the remainder to solve the problem. Is it clear? When we just solve some problems using this particular formula, in which term you will take the remainder?
Serious questions.
Because until and unless you put theta, you can't prove any inequality, because theta ranges between 0 to 1 in the open interval, so that putting the value of theta in a particular function, you can prove the inequality. So suppose some expansion is given to you, and there suppose I am just showing you one example, like suppose just 1 minute.
Time up.
1 minute just. I'm taking just 1 minute.
Time up.
Oh, just one example. Just I am showing. Then I shall stop. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Suppose x greater than log of 1 plus x greater than x minus x square by 2. Then this particular term gives you that already we have seen that f of b, mean f of a plus h equals to f of a plus h into f dash a plus h square by factorial 2 f double dash a plus theta h. So interval is 0 to x. So you can easily consider that f of 0 plus x, that will be f of x, or any function like this suppose can be extended to f of 0 plus h is here x minus 0, that is x into f dash 0 plus x square by factorial 2, that is 2 f double dash 0 plus theta x. So you have to put the remainder term here to prove this particular inequality. Okay. Is it clear to all of you?
If the time was
Yes,
now it's clear.
it may be extended.
Yeah, so then it will be in the if triple dash there will be a plus theta h, na?
Suppose x cube by factorial 3 is involved.
Yeah.
Then you have to proceed up to that and put
Sir,
the remainder term.
So in the last term we have to put a plus theta h.
In the last term, you have to prove a plus theta x. A is 0, h is x, so f of theta x. And you have to decide.
The power of x.
You have to.
Sir, if last term was x minus x cube by 2.
X minus
x cube by 2.
That you have to decide from the function. That according to that particular function, this series will be given. It is not arbitrary. Okay. See, on the basis of this function, this series will be given.
Sir, how will we decide what is fx here?
Example, how can we decide in the expansion of f a plus h, the number of terms is only 3. But there is
Yes. No. That you have to decide. That x square, as it is x square. So f of 0, x into f dash 0, x square by factorial 2, f double dash.
It will go up to f double dash.
On this, you have to put the value of theta, so that using this concept of theta, as theta ranges between 0 and 1, this inequality can be proved. Okay. So that you have to decide from this series, that where you stop.
So the remainder means it will be set according to the degree of polynomial given in the question.
Given in the question, you have to decide it. Okay.
Sir, what will we take as fx?
fx here, this middle.
No.
Okay.
Sir, and theta x, what we will take?
Theta x, that you have to take. Interval is 0 to x, and theta x, intermediate point.
So instead of the factorial format, we have used the remainder here. Why have we not used the factorial form?
Sir, we have next class also, sir. And 10 o'clock.
Okay. I'm just stopping it. Next class, I
Yes, sir.
Next class, and please provide the.
Sir, it can be recorded.
Please share the lecture notes, sir.
Sir, I was seeing that you have
Sir, please send the recording video, sir.
Okay,
Sir, please send the recording video.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, please send the recording video.
Thank you, sir. I shall send it.